Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitor, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Optima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.